I have up on the computer my Stika program. This is the first step in making stencils. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and import an image that I already taken off of Google of a ginkgo leaf. Let's see, I can find it here. I'm sure I passed it up. There it is. Import the leaf. I can increase the intensity of the image with this slider and leave it about there. Okay. And it comes out humongous, so I'm going to go ahead and bring that down in size. The scale on the background here is each square is 1/4 inch. So I'm leaving it a little big for the moment because I want to alter this image. The indent on top I think is too small. So I double click, bring up all the little vector dots. I'm going to close up on it a little bit here. And then I can go ahead and click and drag and manipulate the image to anything I wish. Just a little more definition. In general, when you do images, import images, the definition decreases slightly. And sometimes you have to go in and physically manipulate them just a fraction to get them where you want them. Here we go, that looks good. I'm going to go ahead and bring it down to size again. Oops. There we go. And now, let's go ahead and make this guy a little bit smaller. You can see how I can also bring the shape in or out. I can even reverse, flip, just like that. Yeah, that looks good. But what I want to do is add even a little bit more to it. So what I'm going to do is I want to add some little definition veins in here. So I'm going to go into polygon mode here. Click, click, click. And let's get some nice little vein type things going here. Double click to finish the image up. Let's manipulate this a little bit, put it in place. I want it skinnier. Now I gotta rotate a little bit. There we go. That looks nice. Let's bring it to about there. Now instead of making a whole new one, I'm just going to copy and paste this one. Yeah. And then go up into Object and Mirror. Here we go. And then I can just move this right into place. I want to rotate it a fraction here. There we go. Alright, and then something up the middle. Make it look a little more like a vein. Let's see, I think I'm just going to go ahead and make a new one with the polygon tool. Click, click, click. Nice thing about this is after you create the shape, you can always manipulate it any way you wish. There we go. I just got to move it a little bit just so that it lines up with the stem underneath. There we go, more or less. This guy's just a fraction. There we go. Okay, well, something like that for demonstration purposes. Yeah. Now, I want to put this all together and make it one solid image. I'm going to surround the whole thing. Object, combine polygons. Now I have one solid image. And I don't think you want a 3-inch ginkgo leaf, so we're going to bring it here. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's about a 1 inch. Let's do a few more of these. Copy, paste. You can fit as many as you can across on this particular program because it already has margins kind of built into it. When you actually cut the image on the machine, you're going to already see margins on the sides. So you can go all the way on this screen, all the way to the ends. You don't have to worry about going off the machine. Let's see, 1 inch. Let's give you 4 different ones here. And then we'll resize a few smaller ones so you have a choice. Okay, and let's do one more, which I'm going to size down to any size I wish. Let's see, these were 1 inch. Let's make this one 3/4 inch. There we go. And copy paste. Let's make a few of those. One more. Alright, let's go with this. Looks good. Got our images, got some 1 inchers, some 3/4 inchers. I already cut out the paper. I'll move the camera over so you can see. That is on the shelf there, the Steichen machine. Underneath it is the roll of vinyl. I already cut out enough of the paper for it. I'm going to go ahead and put it in the machine. Okay, ready to go. And from there, I go into print, comes up with my menu, and okay, you'll hear the machine going. And there's the machine doing its thing.